would like to show you album that I made a while ago. I just forgot to share it online. And it's an album I made for my big picture classes class called Big Album Made Easy, and I'm teaching you there in 5 lessons how to make a big album like this. And it's more than 20 by 20 centimeters, which is about 8 by 8 inches. It has this cork, I would say a fabric, but it's not a fabric, it's a cork cover with some stitching, and in the front we have some embellishing done, and I was working mostly with crepe paper collections. There is some decoration here, and on the back, and the album itself ties with 2 ribbons. So we have 2 bows, and when you open it, it has a lot of flaps, extra pockets. So let's walk you through this album. And here is the first pocket. So when you open it, it has some room for the picture here, but it also has room for a few pictures inside. And the second page is, oh sorry, it should supposed to be closed like this. So this is the second page. When you open it, it has 1 and 2 flaps, so plenty of room for your pictures from both sides. And as you can see, embellishments are tied on the edges, so it's not glued flat. You can put pictures behind it. The same is here, and similar, well, this is a sticker, so no, but similar thing is here. So this is the page number 1. This is the second page, and we have a spot for the picture here, and the second one here, and here is the page decorated. So again, you can place your picture here and tuck it behind elements. There is also a pocket with just a card for pictures or some memorabilia or journaling, whatever you would like to add here. And this is page number 3. It has 2 flaps, and they close with a magnet. So flap number 1 and flap number 2. This one is bigger, so we can hold pictures here and here. This one is smaller, mostly for decorative purposes, and they are mounted on over the transparency acetate. And again, anything that I added and I could glue it on the edge, it's only glued on the edge. And we have another, I think it was a pocket. Yeah, this is a pocket, so you just need to remove it from inside. And there is the other page. So each page has a pocket, and they have like notches here and there in different spots. So this is another page, and it has a flap, and it opens like this. So there is plenty room for the page, and it closes with a magnet. And here is another page, and this one has magnets all over it, so you can just lift it up and add it back, and it will stick. And I don't remember, it was a while ago, but I don't think it opens into any direction. But it has this heart. Here is the pocket with the card inside, and when you open it on the other side, there is a big shaker here, so you can just leave it for the decorative purposes. And we have page here and here for plenty of pictures to add. And here is another page, another belt that keeps everything together. And we have a lot of pages here for a lot of pictures, so you can easily add here 6 by 4 picture in each of the pockets, flaps, not pockets. And again, there is also a bigger pocket, and this page is like with a flap here, and it doesn't open, it's just a belt. And you can put like a loose pictures inside, embellishment pieces, or like a map or something, whatever you would like to keep in here. And here is another page, and again this is element that can be removed, and it holds the page together because it opens like this. So there's another page that opens. You can add picture here, here, and here, and here is another pocket, and here is another card inside. So if you would like to close it, you just put it and it will find its way. And the last page in this album is this one, and it opens up and down, and I just need to check, yeah, because I don't remember exactly what was where. So it opens like this, and you can add picture here, 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 and 2 pictures here. So plenty of photographs. And this is the back cover with a pocket and extra tags and flaps and cards for decorative purposes. You can also add pictures here. You can add some loose pictures inside. There is also a spot for 1 photo here. So plenty of room for your memorabilia. And I am teaching you how to make this album, and I am leaving the link in the description box so you can check my my album there. So thank you so much for staying with me, and see you soon on some other video. Bye.